Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm sharing with you how to make this really easy deco mesh wreath using items from the Dollar Tree and also using deco mesh from another store. So first I'm showing you here how you can use the deco mesh from Dollar Tree, and this way to me is just more time consuming and it'll actually cost you more using the deco mesh from Dollar Tree. But I'm going to show you how to use it and basically how many rolls you would need to actually fill it up the way you saw it in the picture. First step is to take the edge of the deco mesh and bunch it together and then tie it with the pipe cleaner. I take the pipe cleaners and just cut them right in half. Next, you're just going to grab some more deco mesh and ruffle it up just like I did here and go ahead and tie it again. And that's what you're going to do throughout the entire wreath. Just keep grabbing some more deco mesh, ruffle it up, and tie it again. So with the Dollar Tree deco mesh, this is one row right here, and I start basically on the second roundness of the wreath, the second wire part, and that's just so that it can kind of cover the first wire, and then when you add more it'll cover the rest of the wires. So with the Dollar Tree deco mesh, you're gonna need probably at least 7 to 8 rolls just to give it a really full wreath and to cover all of the wire. So using the mesh from Dollar Tree, you're gonna need at least 7 to 8 rolls. So that's about $7 to $8 just to get the deco mesh on the wreath. So this is what it looks like, and this is one section of the wreath. You see how it has those divider lines? So this is basically one section, and you're basically using up one entire roll. So that's why you would need at least 7 to 8, because after you finish that section, it's not going to cover the entire wreath. So you would have to add more onto like the third or fourth ring around the wreath to start adding more deco mesh in the center. So what I find to be much easier, much faster, is using deco mesh from either like you can get it from Hobby Lobby, AC Moore, Michael's, Joann's. So this I picked up from AC Moore, and they were actually on sale for $5. So you get this giant roll for $5, and it will cover the entire wreath for $5 for the deco mesh. And your wreath is going to look fuller and just nicer. So you start the same exact way. But also I wanted to talk to you guys about if the deco mesh isn't on sale, they're usually about $9.99. At Joann's and Michael's, you could use a competitor coupon. So you would have like your downloaded app from AC Moore, if that's in your area, and AC Moore usually gives you a 55% off of one item that's not on sale, and sometimes 60% off of one item. So you can go ahead and use that coupon, match it, just show it at the register, tell them you're matching a coupon, and they'll take off 55 or 60%, whatever the coupon is, and you end up actually paying a little less than $5 for the entire roll, which is more cost effective. So with this being a larger roll, like I said, it takes so much less time. It's really easy to do, and then you have like a fuller wreath, and you're only putting in you're only using one roll, so it's just so much easier. So with this roll, I start right in the center with the 2 middle wires, and that's what I use. And I take the pipe cleaners and tie them around the 2 middle wires. So you started like like I showed you on the other one, you just take the edges, bunch them together and tie that up, and then you ruffle it up and tie another pipe cleaner on it. So I use my scissor, you can use like a ruler or whatever, just to give me a guide so that all the ruffles are the same size and the wreath comes out even. So you just continue to ruffle it up like so and tie your pipe cleaners, and just do this all the way around. It's going to take you maybe 15 to 20 minutes, and then you're done and you have this beautiful ruffled wreath. And now you can go ahead and just decorate it with any decorations. The Dollar Tree is a better place to grab your embellishments for the wreath, but to actually get your deco mesh, I suggest just getting it from a craft store. Much easier to do. So again, you're just going to continue this same method going all the way around. This to me is just much easier. It's less time consuming. You can get this done in about 15-20 minutes. And then the fun part begins where you can actually decorate it. So I am going to decorate it using some Dollar Tree embellishments. And if you guys like this tutorial, please give me that thumbs up, share the video, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Are you going to try using a larger roll? Because I know some people have said they can't make a wreath if it, if it came down to saving their life, like they really just can't get it done. But as you can see, it's really easy to do. Just do exactly what I showed you here and you'll get the same result. So also, if you guys don't want to make a wreath and you just don't have the time or whatever, my wreaths are on my Etsy shop for sale. So I'll leave you the link to my Etsy shop in the description bar. You can click on that, check out what wreaths I have and other items as well. So here is the wreath finished. Once I added the Dollar Tree embellishments, I just added some jack-o'-lanterns from last year's Dollar Tree Halloween stuff. I did add some of these bats and spiders and this door hanger witch legs. I just tied that right to the back using the same pipe cleaners. And I have this huge spider right in the center. I just added a little bit of the bling wrap onto the legs with this little poison skeleton on top. And that was it. Now you have this really cute Halloween wreath. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next video. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button for more DIY videos.